What's up, everybody? It's me back again. Today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. Ha. Dun dun. You see, I'm fighting the dumpster. You don't want to just see me take down this dude forever. So let's move on. Let's take my fun way. If you guys haven't heard, there's three bosses: Stump Snare, King Beetle, and Tunnel Bear. These are the three bosses. Tunnel Bear had, in the new update, there's going to be the new update is going to add a few more bosses. And also, I forgot I added the Vicious Bee.
Today
Oof! I want to take that. Dang it.
Yeah, guys, that's about actually this. Ultimate backpack that can hold. Stop moving. 1,250,000 points.
Yeah,
And
they
this guy right here, me, the noob, with a silver ant under it.
have a gold. Huh. So guys, I was just listening to my brother doing his speech. I'm going to go do something. Where's my brother? That's how
Get stuff, get eggs, get more bees, get more stuff, get better stuff. And I got this, which is the best. I pretty much have the best stuff in the shop. These things on my shoulders are called guards. There's like 4 different kind of big stuff. I just picked 2 of them randomly, pretty much.
Oh, Dad, if you want to see me and Gavin more, me and my brother more, yeah. Good thing I could go in the 30 Bam, tram, damn. I need another one so I can get another half spot.
Oh, I did not play this game. This room 2 times.
Yep. Yeah. If you run around the room 2 times, the room 2 times, you hid in this corner and hide. And don't move. Then
See what the word song up there or something is like a invisible block or something, and it makes him stuck. Attack.
it's a little glitch. I'm glad they won't patch it ever. 10 minutes. How about you cut? Guys, this is my hive. Guys, this is a wiggler hive. It only has 25 slots. I upgraded mine and I bought 6 extra hives. That means 6 extra hives. So all the hives. So I bought extra hive spots that you could buy in here. The first one's 3 mil, and now mine's this. I know, I've been playing and getting lots of these. And you could only have 25 bees in a normal hive. Yes, you need to buy 5 to get in here, and I did. I know there's a few secrets in this zone. It's 3, I don't remember. I've been in, I got that a long time. And see him? I don't know who he is. I call him Wonder Bear. See that little token right there? That's a diamond egg token. And if you have a moon amulet like I do, see that moon amulet, you need 100 moon charms to grant one. If you do, in nighttime you could jump there, 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 go around, get enzymes. I know, right? Sweet. Check how much time I have. One thing. I don't know where my face is. I'm still. Whatever. So guys, I'm going down to the street.
I thought he died.
6 minutes. Bye. Boing, boing, boing. Welcome, dispenser.
That it will take
1 minute.
a lot more time to edit this now that I have to look through so much stuff. So I'm not sure if this was the best idea. Yeah, I probably should have thought that through.
Hi.
I am actually talking slowly because this is going to be a speed up. So you guys can understand correctly, okay? I hope so. Also, I have a gift for me.
Yeah, I have it.
I don't really think it is. I will tell. It's I have a gift to me.
Hey, guys, this might be it for my video. Just Gavin kill his king beetle. Then we will end it. I don't know how to stop the video right now. So, leave a like. Thumbs up. Hit the bell. And subscribe to my channel and my brothers. There it is. And my. Did you get an amulet? Did you get an amulet?
Yes.
So he could be winning a challenge. You mean these? Don't I remember, Gavin?
Yeah, I know. Secret passage. Okay, if you guys want to go to that 20B zone to get to the ant challenge,
Yeah.
you gotta do it. You gotta jump over here.
If you don't have 20 bees like I have, 20 bees, you could.
Also, there's ones over there. And there's also a pretty sure.
Bam, bam, chain. Yeah. So guys, goodbye. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye. I just need to
Let's say
find.
backpack.
I just need to find out how to turn this off.
Oh, that must be how much it normally was. Is the guard for boots and the hat add
Hey,
more?
how do I turn the video off? So I just have to wait till it reaches the max recording. So guys, you stay.
CNB swarm has gone before. And also that's a gummy bee. You need 2,500 drops.
To get a gummy bee, you need 500 gumdrops. And if you have a gummy bee and you complete gummy bee ace badge or hot shop, hot shop badge. And if you have a lot of gumdrops like I do, use this blue dispenser. For me, it gives me 2. A gumdrop boost. I don't know. Enzymes in that corner. This is it. Gummy mask. Gummy mask. 250 glue, 100 enzymes, 100 oil, and 100 glitter. It's 5 billion. The most honey item, the most expensive item in the game for right now. It's going to be not the most expensive item anymore. 999 glue, 300 glue extract, 300 glue extract, and 300 glitter, and 100 billion honey. Not 100 million, not 100,000, 100 billion. No. Guys, over you are. This is what Gummy Bear says. What's sweeter than honey? Glorious gumdrops, they're just the salt. It really drops our universe. Can't you see it too? What's that gonna be? You're not seeing clearly? Yeah, it's right. Goodbye, Mickey Mouse. Ah. Oof. Haha, get work, mister. Where's my blood? Hey, I'm gonna check. I'm good. If you have the parachute, hiking boots, and propeller hat, you can do this. But I have better stuff than that. Don't worry.
Yes.
Shout out a big, huge shout out. Give a huge shout out to On It for creating Bee Swarm Simulator. Huge shout out to him. This is my favorite game, guys.
Join the group.
Club.
Spencer's where you need to join the club group thing.
The strawberry and blueberry take 4 hours, and the tree and honey take 1 hour.
Right? Go to his purpose channel, find out what it is.
Huh? So
1
guys,
second.
ooh, 54
I'm not trying to
billion.
end this video. This is way longer than that. You know, I did literally nothing except beat up King Beetle and stuff. I guess I could probably prologue episode. This was the prologue episode where I introduced you to the ants, to my bees.
So Gavin, ooh, it's nighttime. I'm destroying the sprouts. Easy.
Yes. I beat him up.
How many points do you have?